The warlord leader of Chechnya has taken a Tesla Cybertruck and equipped it with a machine gun. He claims that he intends to deliver the vehicle to Russian soldiers that are now engaged in combat in Ukraine. A video of Ramzan Kadyrov driving the vehicle was uploaded to the internet on Saturday. He stated that Elon Musk, who he referred to as the strongest genius of our time, had supplied the video to him before it was modified. Following the event, Musk denied that he had given the vehicle to the Chechen commander. Do you seriously believe that I gave a Cybertruck to a Russian general? Are you seriously so idiotic as to think that? On X, the social networking platform that Musk owns, Musk sent a message. Kadyrov was seen driving the truck across an empty square in Grozny, the capital of Chechnya, in the video that was expertly shot. He is seen smiling throughout the entire process. After that, he exits the truck and positions himself behind the machine gun, wearing an ammunition belt over his neck until he is standing there. We were fortunate enough to acquire a Tesla Cybertruck from the esteemed Elon Musk. I was delighted to put the new apparatus through its paces, and I was able to personally see that there is a reason why it is referred to as the Cyber Beast, as Kadyrov stated. Kadyrov stated that he literally fell in love with the car, the characteristics of which he described as being invulnerable, fast, comfortable, and maneuverable. Welcome to Fiosk. Kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification feature to keep up with our latest videos. Let's continue. The well-known electric vehicle offering that Elon Musk is known for, the Tesla Cybertruck, may soon be seen taking part in the conflict that is taking place between Russia and Ukraine. It is because of the Chechen president, who is a supporter of Moscow, that this very unexpected turn of events has occurred. A very spectacular video of a Tesla Cybertruck mounted with a machine gun was uploaded to the channel that the president of Chechnya, Ramzan Kadyrov, maintains on the messaging app Telegram using his personal account. As the video that Kadyrov uploaded on his website concludes, he is seen standing on the rear of the vehicle, which is where the machine gun is installed. The video also shows him taking the electric car for a ride. Throughout the video, Kadyrov can be seen not only holding the machine gun with his hands, but also carrying rounds of ammo around his neck and body. Additionally, the somewhat terrifying video is accompanied by a lengthy statement in which he expresses his gratitude to Musk and Tesla for the invasion. Musk has also been extended an invitation to travel to Russia by the leader, who further stated, "I don't think the Russian Foreign Ministry would mind this kind of trip." He also makes a passing reference to the possibility of delivering the vehicle, complete with the machine gun, to the Russian soldiers that are engaged in the conflict with Ukraine. According to Kadyrov, the electric vehicle would be of tremendous help to the Russian armed forces because of its agility and effectiveness. In addition, he stated, the Cybertruck will soon be dispatched to the Northeast Military District Zone, where it will be in demand under the appropriate circumstances. It is my firm belief that this beast will provide our forces with a great deal of advantages. An expression of gratitude is received from Ramzan Kadyrov. The president of Chechnya has expressed gratitude to the CEO of Tesla for the creation of the Cybertruck. It has been stated by Kadyrov that he does not understand why the vehicle is not referred to as the Cyber Beast. I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to Elon Musk. The note that Kadyrov uploaded on Telegram reads, "Of course, this is the most brilliant genius of our time and a specialist." The note was initially written in Russian. In addition to this, he states that the Cybertruck has established itself as a formidable undertaking. The car is without a doubt one of the best in the entire globe. I fell in love with this car in a rather literal sense. Musk has extended an invitation to visit Grozny, the capital city of Chechnya, where Kadyrov assures him that he will be welcomed as a close friend. The note concludes with this invitation. Due to the sanctions that have been placed on Russia as a result of the conflict in Ukraine, it is essential to be aware that automobiles manufactured in the United States are not permitted to be sold or delivered to Russia at this time. It is not yet obvious how Kadyrov came to own the Cybertruck. The intricacies of this situation are still unknown. To a significant extent, it is thought that the automobile was brought into the country illegally through the borders. Nevertheless, there has been no information brought to light on this matter up until this point. A user on X, which was formerly known as Twitter, asked Musk about his involvement in donating the Cybertruck to Kadyrov, and Musk responded by saying that he had no part in the matter. The chief executive officer of Tesla then proceeded to make a jab into legacy media within the thread, using Starlink in an unauthorized manner by Russia with the Tesla Cybertruck. While this is the first time that someone fighting on the side of Russia has been able to get their hands on the Tesla Cybertruck, it is important to note that the forces fighting on the side of Moscow have frequently taken use of the innovative solutions that have been supplied by American corporations. Beginning in May of this year, the United States Department of Defense began working with SpaceX to coordinate the identification and deactivation of Starlink terminals that had been illegally acquired by Russian military personnel. After accusations appeared that Russian troops were unlawfully utilizing Starlink, which was initially intended to assist Ukrainian residents, this came about as a result of reported incidents. There were worries made by senators from the United States regarding these revelations, and they indicated that they constituted a substantial threat to Kyiv and its prospects in the war. As a consequence of this, SpaceX, which is also controlled by Musk, started identifying terminals that were in Russia's custody and turning them off. On the other hand, it was also alleged that the Russian soldiers had continued to purchase Starlink terminals from the underground market. While all is going on, the war is still going strong, and it appears like Ukraine has made some progress with its incursion into the Kursk region of Russia. This counteroffensive by Kyiv is the first time since World War II that forces from a foreign country are fighting in Russia, according to a report carried out by major news outlets. Mikhail Kalashnikov is the designer of the PKM machine gun, which is sometimes referred to as the Pulemyak Kalashnikova Modernizirovany. This machine gun is designed to be used for a variety of purposes. In service since the 1960s, this machine gun is an upgraded variant of the original PK machine gun that was used in the military. The PKM is well known for its dependability, simplicity, and ease of maintenance, all of which are attributes that are distinctive of the designs that Kalashnikov came up with. Approximately 650 to 750 rounds per minute is the rate of fire that the PKM machine gun is capable of producing. This rate of fire enables it to offer persistent suppression fire in combat circumstances, which makes it an extremely useful tool for infantry troops. A quick-change barrel is incorporated into the design of the weapon, which helps to prevent the weapon from overheating over extended periods of fire for the user. For the PKM machine gun, the ammunition utilized is the 7.62 x54 mmR, which is a rimmed rifle round that has been in use since the late 19th century. Both anti-personnel and light anti-material duties are appropriate for this type of ammunition because of its stopping force and range, which makes it suited for both of these roles. The PKM may be fed from belts of varying lengths, often 100 or 200 rounds, which are typically stored in a box or drum magazine. Belts can be fed from the PKM. There are a number of factors that influence the operational range of the PKM machine gun, including the specific conditions and the type of target. Generally speaking, its effective range is roughly 400 meters for point targets and approximately 1,000 meters for area targets. The ability to add optical sights and incorporate a bipod into the weapon both contribute to an increase in its accuracy and range. There are numerous armed units all around the world that make extensive use of the PKM machine gun. In addition to the armed forces of Russia, it has been adopted by the armed forces of a great number of other nations, including those in the former Soviet Union, Eastern Europe, Asia, Africa, and throughout the Middle East. Its efficiency and dependability within a wide variety of combat conditions are demonstrated by the fact that it is used so extensively. In November of 2019, Tesla Incorporated became the first company to introduce an electric vehicle known as the Tesla Cybertruck. The distinctive, angular shape that it possesses, which is crafted from ultra-hard steel and armored glass, is what makes it stand out. Approximately 231.7 inches in length, 79.8 inches in width, and 75 inches in height, the Cybertruck is a substantial vehicle. Its bed, which is referred to as the vault, is around 6.5 feet long and provides loads of space for freight. A single motor with rear-wheel drive, a twin motor with all-wheel drive, and a tri-motor with all-wheel drive are the three power options that are available for the Cybertruck. The single motor is the most fundamental model, while the tri-motor offers the highest level of performance, meaning it accelerates more quickly and has greater towing capacity. Tesla's proprietary software is utilized for the control systems of the Cybertruck. This software provides functionalities such as over-the-air updates, autopilot, and full self-driving capabilities. It has a straightforward design on the inside, with a large touchscreen located in the middle to operate the majority of the functions. The Cybertruck is equipped with a variety of sensors that are used for its autonomous driving capabilities. Among these are cameras, ultrasonic sensors, radar, and maybe LiDAR in models that will be released in the future. When all of these sensors are combined, the truck is able to acquire a comprehensive perspective of its surroundings. The Cybertruck is capable of providing drivers with a wide spectrum of assistance, from fundamental assistance to advanced autonomy. The full self-driving package offered by Tesla aspires to achieve level 4 or 5 autonomy, which indicates that the vehicle is capable of driving itself in the majority of scenarios without the assistance of a person. However, it is still required to receive regulatory permission. The power plant of the Cybertruck determines the range of the vehicle. Over 250 kilometers can be traveled on a single charge using the single motor, while the tri-motor variant delivers more than 500 miles of range. The dual-motor version has a range that exceeds 300 miles, making it an excellent choice for extended journeys. There are specialists who believe that the Tesla Cybertruck is suited for use in the military due to its sturdy design and long-lasting construction. The outer shell is constructed from a durable stainless steel that has been cold-rolled 30 times, which provides protection against damage. The statement was made by Elon Musk, who stated, "We're using the same alloy in the Starship rocket, so you know it's tough." Durability like this could be useful in battle situations where vehicles are subjected to extreme circumstances and attacks. One of the reasons that the Cybertruck is being investigated for use in the military is because it has an electric engine, which offers a number of benefits. When compared to gas-powered automobiles, electric vehicles are typically quieter, which makes them easier to conceal with. Additionally, the Cybertruck's capacity to recharge with portable solar panels and its extended range make it valuable in locations that are difficult to access. According to the observations of a defense analyst, the electric features of the Cybertruck could reduce the likelihood that the military will require fuel supply lines, which are frequently targets. Because of its cutting-edge technological capabilities, the Cybertruck might prove useful to the military. Because it is equipped with Tesla's autopilot technology, it is capable of performing missions without the need for human drivers, hence lowering the risk to humans. The computer power and sensors that it possesses could be of use in reconnaissance and investigation. Artificial intelligence and autonomous systems like the Cybertruck have the potential to transform military operations, making them more effective and safer, according to an expert. Due to its high payload capacity and adaptability, the Cybertruck is an excellent choice for military applications. Up to 3,500 pounds can be carried by it, and it can pull more than 14,000 pounds. Because of this, it is an excellent choice for carrying small tactical troops, as well as equipment and supplies. The adaptable air suspension technology of this vehicle enables the ground clearance to be adjusted, which is beneficial in a variety of land conditions. It was stated by a logistics expert that the Cybertruck's capacity to manage huge cargo and tough terrain makes it an extremely significant tool for military logistics and transportation. Last but not least, The extent to which the Cybertruck can be modified is a significant advantage. In order to accommodate a variety of military requirements, such as transporting troops or functioning as a mobile command center, its interior can be modified to conform to a flat configuration. This versatility allows the vehicle to be modified to suit the requirements of a variety of missions. The Cybertruck's design is perfect for customization, which is crucial for meeting the changing needs of modern military operations, said a defense contractor. The Cybertruck allows for a great deal of flexibility.